okay. No, no, no. Ay! Oh, poo-poo. You put poo-poo there. Poo-poo there. Bathroom. Woohoo. No more. No more poo-poo. How do you fold that? Bathroom. Pan. Yes, you sit down when you poo-poo. On the toilet bowl. Nisa, say toilet bowl. Wee-wee, and then... you go to wee-wee. When wash. Wee-wee, and then wash. Very good. No more. Clean hands. Clean. Wash and clean hands. That's Nisa. Gorgeous Nisa. Yes, this is Mommy. Hello. What is that, Nisa? Faucet. What do you do with the faucet? Ilaw. What do you want Mommy to do with that?
Open.
Can you wait? Isa, hingi si Auntie. Ha? Bibigyan mo si Auntie ng picnic?
No.
Give Auntie picnic?
No.
No. Why? How about Mommy? Give Mommy picnic?
What about Uncle Allen?
You want to eat that na? You want to eat that na?
That.
Eat that? Open na? Hmm? Open?
Open. Okay. Open. 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 Open.
Open? Okay, Mommy will open. Okay. Wait. Okay, Mommy. Ay, careful.
Mommy.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Mana.
Oh, later. Auntie Man is driving. Say, merci beaucoup, Uncle Allen. Lisa, say merci beaucoup.
Puku.
Merci.
Merci. Puku. Merci. Puku.
Uncle.
Okay.
Alin?
Alan. So, you but oh.
You sing again. Oh, ulit. Again. You sing,
Ulit
ha?
natin.
Beneath the pale light, someone's thinking of me and loving me tonight. Somewhere out there, someone's saying a prayer that we'll find one another in that big somewhere out there. And even though I know how very far apart we are, it helps to